Hari Om children. Sum number 10 in exercise number 7.2. A container open at the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone. I'll draw the frustum first. A container open at the top is in the frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter. So I'll mark the height as 16 centimeter. This is the frustum, bucket shaped. With radii of its lower and upper ends. Lower end is 8 centimeter. Lower end is 8. Upper end is 20. So small r is 8 centimeter. Capital R is 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill a container at the rate of rupees 40 per liter. So we need to find the volume of the frustum first, and per liter it is 40. How many liters can it hold? If you calculate into 40, if you do, you'll get the answer. Okay. Now volume of the frustum formula. Volume of the frustum is equal to this frustum. Okay, volume of the frustum formula 1 by 3 pi into capital R square plus capital R small r plus small r square into h. Actually, you can write the h here itself. 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus small r capital R plus small r square cubic units. Now substitute and find out the volume. You will get 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into height is 16, capital R square 20 square, capital R small r 20 into 8 plus small r square 8 square. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16, 20 squared is 400, 20 into 8 160, 8 8s are 64. Now multiply 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16 into 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. Next 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, remainder 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 624. Now we have to see whether this 624 can be divided by 3 or 7. It can be divided by 3. So first cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 0, 8 3s are 24. It cannot be divided by 7. Second is 2 times 14, remainder 6, 68 will not be there in 7th table. So as usual, it will come in decimal. Now I shall multiply all these. 22 into 16 first. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 2 1 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 5 3, 352 into 208. 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 5 8s are 40, 41 remainder 4, 8 3s are 24, 28. So zeros will be added for the next line, and for 2 2s are last line. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Your answer will be 73,216 divided by 7. 73,216 divided by 7. Cubic units means centimeter cube. This is the volume. Okay. So for liter, per liter it is 40 rupees. For this much liters, it is. We'll do one thing. We'll first convert this into decimal because 40 and 7 will not be cancelled. Okay. Anyway, we are going to write in decimal. So we will cancel it here itself. 1 7 is 7, 0, 32, 3 7s, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, 41 it is, and 5 times 35, 66, 9 times 63, 63 balance 3, 30, 4 times 7 4s are 28, 30 balance 2, 20, 2 times 14, next it is 8 times. We'll stop here. So it is 10,459.428 centimeter cube. So they have given in liter. We have to convert this volume into liter first. Okay. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So first convert this centimeter cube into liter first. So you will get 10,459.428 divided by 1000. So what will happen is this decimal will shift to 3 places before. So you will have 10.459428 liters. So the volume that the frustum can hold is 10.459428 liters. So if 1 liter is 40 rupees, 1 liter equal to rupees 40. So this much liters. So what you will have, 10.459428 into 40. Multiply and we can round it off. Okay. So it is 8 4s are 32, remainder 3, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, remainder 1, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, remainder 1, 9 4s are 36, 37, remainder 3, 5 4s are 20, 23, remainder 2, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 1 4 is 4. And include this 0 at the last. Okay children. So you will have 41837377120. So how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Your decimal place will come here. Now just round off. All these will go off, which is equal to 4. Now when you round off, you will add 1 to the nearest decimal digit, 418.38 rupees. So the cost of milk is which the can hold. Rupees 418.38. So underline the solution. With this, sum number 10 is over and this exercise is completed. Hari Om.